And I started noticing that in the women that were at my level of their careers, they were they were publishing, they were getting grant proposals, they were having really very active programs, but they weren't getting the recognition that I saw the men at our level getting. And yet I thought they were equally, if not better qualified than a lot of the men that were getting outside offers and distinguished lectureships and all the kudos that one would want to get once you reach this mid-career. And so that really bothered me. So I called up Jean Pemberton and I said, we got to figure this out, because surely there's a way that we can get women more recognition. And so we, and to figure out what's going on. And so we applied to the Camille and Henry Dreyfus Foundation, Bob Lichter, and to get some money to get a dozen of us in chemistry together, all mid-career, to just talk about these issues. We had funding for 4 meetings and over 2 years. And so we got together to talk about it. And of these women, at least half had never been together with other women before in a setting like this. Cynthia Friend, Kristen Bowman-James, Jean, Angie Stacy. And so it was unusual for them, whereas for me it was, I was back in Mom's Beauty Shop. And we the first meeting, we all said, but we're fine, we're doing fine, everything's just fine. Yeah, we're not getting the recognition, but maybe we just need to work a little harder. And so then I was trying to figure out how to get us all back together again. You've got it, these are, everyone's really busy, we had kids, and I'm asking them to give up a weekend. 2 weekends a year. And so I thought, what can we do at the next meeting to get everybody to make sure that they came? So Janet Osteryoung, who's a part of the group, had the idea that she knew a couple of women in the UNC area that gave workshops on negotiation and leadership. So she said, why don't we have them come on your Saturday and they'll just give you all a negotiation workshop. And so, okay, fine, that sounds good, whatever. And they came, and it was how to negotiate for what you need, but it was more a venue for us to discuss the challenges we really were having back home, but we were all in denial, or we didn't want to admit it. And so one person was having her, it came out, one person was having her lab space taken away, another one was getting a double teaching load for no good reason. There was just all these things happening that nobody would admit at the first meeting. But the reason it came out was because we need to have examples of things we needed to negotiate for. And it was to get your lab space back. It was, get all these things back. And so we practiced these skills. And then when we came back 6 months later, all of our lives had changed. Lab space came back. Double teaching load got reduced. All these things had changed for us because we suddenly knew these skills and awareness to take control of our own destiny. And that's really what Coach is about, is teaching women and men to take control of your own destiny rather than relying on someone else to take care of you.